Hello, welcome to the channel. Here we go, City and Guilds Functional Skills, Level 1, Sample 4, no calculator. Got something on the desk. Right, let's carry on. Let's see what we can do. Sample 4, with all the pictures. There we go. There's the first one. So, do not forget, this is BidMaths. You can subscribe to the channel. It would be great for you to do so. It's only new, but there you go. So 6, do the brackets first, times 6 minus 1 is 36, take away 1 is 35, 0.4 of a percentage is 40%. 8.35719, rounded to 2 decimal places. So look at that one, it's 5 or more, so round up to 8.36. Okay, next one. 4.978 times 4. What's the missing number? It's hundreds and thousands, isn't it? So times 10 times 100 times 1,000. So the missing number is 1,000. What's the volume of a cube? All the sides of a cube are exactly the same. So it's 5 times 5 times 5, which is 125. 2/3 of the circle, so that is at least one line of symmetry. So how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 12. So times 2/3 is 24 divided by 3, which is 8. So we've got to shade in 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'll do it down here so we get a line of symmetry. 2, 3, 4. So we've got a line of symmetry that goes that way and a line of symmetry that goes that way. So we have at least one line of symmetry. Right, which of these lists of fractions and mixed numbers is in the order from the smallest to the largest? Right, so they've got to go up. So just look at the big numbers, yeah? So 2, 1, that's going down straight away, so that's wrong. So 1 down to nothing is, that's wrong. So 3/4, 1, 1 3/4, yeah, 0, 1, 1, 2, that could be right. 0, 1, 1, 2, so that could be right. So what's the difference to these ones? 1/4 to 3/4, yeah, so that's going up. So that's going down, so that's no good. There's a lot of gaps in this, isn't there? A lot of gaps. If 28 times 63 is that, what is that divided by that? So it must be this number here, 28. Which of these nets will fold into the shape? So there's 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that can't be right. That's not going to be right, is it? So it's one of these two. So if I fold these round, I've got an end and an end. Yeah, it's this one. Yeah, D. Got it. Right. Write 205,030 in figures. Right, 205,030 in figures. So, shop owner sells new board games on a website. He wants to give an average mean customer rating for the blah, 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 blah. He gives a star rating for the board. What rating will he use? So we want to do the mean. So we've got to add them all up and divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's add them all up. No calculator, so we're going to have to do this by hand. 3 and that is 7.5. That's 11. That's 14. That's 19. 19.5. 23.5. 28. 28. I don't think that's right. Let's add these up again. Because divide by 8, 28 doesn't work out exactly. So let's try these again. So 3 and that is 7.5. And that is 11. And that is 14. And that is 19. And that is 19.5. And that is 23.5. And 4 is 27. 28. Yeah, looks like 28. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 28 divided by 8. So 3 eighths are 24 with 4 over, and 5 goes into 40. 2.5. Have we got one of those? So how are we supposed to do this? 3 eighths. Oh yeah, 3 eighths is 3.5. This one. 3.5. Struggled with adding numbers. Crazy. City and Guilds, what do they want us to do now? Baker wants to order enough flour for 10 loaves of bread weighing 750. There's a recipe for that. So, let's do the total weight. 10 times 750 equals 7,500 grams of bread. Now, each loaf is 500, so if we do 500 divide by 500, let's cross some zeros out, make it easy for us. 7's into 75, 5's into 75, so 5's into 7 go 1, 2 over, 5's into 25 go 15, so we've got 15 loaves of bread, and now we're going to multiply that by the grams per bread. Right, so 5 nothings are nothing, 5 eighths are 40, carry 4, 4 fives are 20, 24, and let's place marker. 1 times 0 is 0, 1 times 8 is 8, and 1 times 4 is 4. So let's add those together. 0, 0, 7,200 grams. The answer's got to be in kilograms, though, haven't they? Divide by 1,000. 7.2. End of section 1. Right, the calculator papers and these are much harder. Yeah, now, if you like this sort of stuff, subscribe to the channel, make it grow. Leave a comment about you want me to do another exam board or something. Thumbs up to say you've liked it. And down below there's lots of videos to watch. Eventually there'll be hundreds of them. And thanks for watching. See you in the next one.